August 7th and Trump's sweeping tariffs across the world have come into effect. US President Donald Trump on his Truth Social said the move is bringing in billions of dollars into the United States of America. The US President had announced a revised list of tariffs for its trading partners, and the deadline was extended to August 7th. India was hit by an additional 25% tariffs for purchasing oil and energy from Russia, which now totals up to 50%. The base tariff of 25% takes effect from August 7th, whereas additional tariff charge begins from August 27th after a 21-day period. India and Brazil both face 50% tariff, the highest in the world. The tariff imposition on India is expected to hit major industries. These include textile clothing, gems and jewelry, leather and footwear, animal products, chemicals, electrical and mechanical machinery. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sent out a strong message a day after Trump imposed additional tariffs on India. Prime Minister said the country will never compromise with the interests of its farmers and fishermen. Prime Minister also added that he knows that he will have to pay the price and he was ready to do it for the farmers.
भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं।
The products exempted from the tariffs include pharma, crude oil, refined fuels, natural gas, coal and electricity, critical minerals, electronic goods such as computers, tablets, smartphones, solid-state drives, flat panel displays and integrated circuits. As part of Trump's pressure tactics on tech firms to invest in the US, the president has threatened to impose 100% tariff on chips and semiconductors produced outside US. This has led Apple to announce a new $100 billion commitment to America, a significant acceleration of its US investment that now totals $600 billion over the next 4 years. Meanwhile, Trump has not announced any additional tariff on China. Trump, when asked why did he single out India and imposed additional tariffs for doing business with Russia while China too does so, he said more of secondary sanctions were coming.
Indian officials have said that there are other countries that are buying Russian oil.
It's okay.
Like China, for instance,
It's
buys
okay.
more.
Yeah.
Why are you singling India out for these additional sanctions?
It's only been 8 hours. So let's see what happens over the next.
Sanctions
you're going to see a lot more.
So this is a taste of
You're
what's
going to see a lot more. You're going to see so much secondary sanctions.
Other economies are in talks with the US to reach a consensus on lowering the tariff rates, though UK, Japan, South Korea and the EU have struck a deal. Canada got a tariff raise from 25% to 35%. Trump said Canada has failed to curb the flow of the fentanyl and other drugs across the US border. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.